I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to find Apple's Tips app guides on your iPhone. So first, we'll open up the Tips app. We can swipe down on the home screen and type in Tips. And as you can see, we can download it if it's not already on our phone, but then we can click Open. To browse specific apps, we can scroll all the way down to our iPhone section here, click Table of Contents, and then look for apps and open that. And then here we'll list all of the apps that you have available through Apple on your iPhone. And let's say we want to learn how to use the News app. Here you go. It gives us a selection of different things to learn how to do in the News app. Let's say you wanted to use news widgets. You click there, and in the section in the middle here, we can see Add, Edit, or Remove widgets. And then it will give us a description of what a widget is, and then a step-by-step process of how to add a widget to our home screen. So do this for any app you like, and now you know how to find guides for anything you're looking for.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video so other people can find it as well, and subscribe to stay tuned for much more just like this.